Hello friends, welcome to Kamath Astrology, and today I am going to talk on a very different topic. That is, in these difficult times when there is such a strong virus floating around, how can we protect ourselves by balancing the five tattvas from which our body is made up of? So, what are the five tattvas that our body is made up of? So, Ayurveda says that our body is made up of five elements, that is, air, water, fire, earth, and ether. These are also known as Vayu Tattva, Jal Tattva, Prithvi Tattva, Agni Tattva, and Akash Tattva. So, in this figure, you can see that the human body is composed of these five elements, that is, air, earth, fire, water, and sky. And if any of these elements becomes imbalanced, then you are affected by disease. So now we all know that this virus which is there, that is spreading through the air, or it is coming through the Vayu Tattva mainly. Now, why is this so? Because the planet Rahu is responsible for viruses, and when Rahu was in Ardra Nakshatra, in the sign of Mithun Rashi, which is also an air sign, this virus started spreading. And as we all know, this virus affects our lungs. Now, the sign of Cancer or Kark in the zodiac belt is the natural fourth house, and it represents the area of the lungs. Okay, it represents the chest area. So basically, this virus imbalances the Vayu Tattva, and because of that, we suffer from breathing problems and lack of oxygen. Now, when the Vayu Tattva is highly imbalanced, the Jal Tattva also gets imbalanced. That is, this virus can cause pneumonia and damage to your lungs. Okay, so that is where the Jal Tattva gets damaged. If you are eating the wrong kinds of food, okay, then your Agni Tattva is imbalanced. Okay, that is, your digestive fire gets imbalanced, and that causes different kinds of problems. And last is the Prithvi Tattva or the earth element. See, the earth can only take a limited amount of problems created by humanity. So, if we are causing pollution, if we are harming animals on the earth, okay, then this Prithvi Tattva or this earth element gets damaged. And precisely this virus started because we started damaging the earth element. We started harming animals. We started polluting the environment. We started destroying the nature. And because the earth element got corrupted, the water and the air element also got corrupted. And also the fire element got corrupted. But if you see, there is one element above all these elements that is called as the Akash Tattva or the ether element. An ether element represents the open space. Jupiter is the representative of the ether element or the Akash Tattva. Guru is beyond these four elements. Okay, in astrology, Jupiter is said to represent the Akash Tattva or God himself. God is nothing but infinity, and therefore the Akash Tattva is nothing but infinity or the space which contains everything. Now, whenever you activate the Akash Tattva, okay, the other elements start getting balanced. And what are the things that represent Jupiter or the Akash Tattva? Jupiter is yellow in color. He wears yellow robes. Okay. So one way to activate Jupiter is to start wearing yellow clothes. Also, try to eat more elements representing Jupiter, such as bananas. Okay. Second, when you are having milk, milk is the element which represents the moon. Okay, it represents the sign of Cancer or Kark. Mix it with some haldi because Jupiter becomes exalted in the sign of Cancer. So, by using more of Jupiter elements in your food, in your diet, you can build up your immunity and resist this disease. Second is, who are the enemies of Rahu? Rahu represents viruses. Who are his enemies? In the solar system, the sun, the moon, Jupiter, and Mars are considered the enemies of Rahu. Okay, so if you want to defeat this Rahu or this virus, you have to start activating the elements representing these four planets, that is Sun, Moon, Jupiter, and Mars. Okay, now Mars is represented by two elements. First is honey and second is jaggery. So make jaggery and honey an integral part of your diet. Every morning have some lime juice mixed with a little honey. Okay, it is very good for your health and it represents the Mars tattva or the Mangal tattva. So it prevents viruses from attacking you. Now, whenever there is an affliction to the sun, we say offer water to the rising sun from a copper vessel. So why are we saying copper vessel? Because copper represents the sun. Okay, and when water is kept in a copper vessel, its electromagnetic properties get activated. Okay, and such water is considered to be extremely pure. So try drinking more water from a copper vessel. Increase your fluid intake completely. Try having at least 2 to 3 bottles of water every day and make sure you get this water from copper vessels. Remember, Mars, Jupiter, and Sun are all fiery planets. Okay, and by activating or using more elements representing these planets, you can defeat the negative tendencies of Rahu. Also, expose yourself to more sunlight. I'm not saying you go out without wearing a mask. What I'm saying is, if possible, in the mornings, go out on your terrace or go down, have some sunlight, take a round, wear your mask. Okay, expose yourself to sunlight. Okay, so that helps in a big way in defeating the virus elements created by Rahu. And drink a lot of fresh milk, fresh water. Okay, drink more of lime juice that is mixed with honey. Have more bananas. Okay, so have more elements such as jaggery, kishmish. Okay, all these are things representing the moon, Mars, Jupiter, and Sun. So activate these elements which represent the Sun, Moon, Mars, and Jupiter, and your immunity will automatically increase. Have more of hot liquids, hot food, because these are all fiery planets. So Jupiter, Mars, and Sun are hot planets. So try to have more of hot food and avoid cold foods and cold liquids, which are represented by Saturn and Ketu, who are more friends of Rahu. Avoid alcohol completely because it damages your Jupiter and activates Rahu. Lastly, apart from this, grace of God is very important, and activating the Akash Tattva is nothing but activating the grace of God. The scriptures tell us that when the Devas and the Asuras were trying to extract Amrit from the sea, okay, and they used Vasuki Nag as the churning rope, that time a very dangerous poison called halahal came out from that snake's mouth. Okay, and it was only Lord Shiva who could drink that poison. So the gods had to invoke Lord Shiva or the highest Akash Tattva to remove that poison. And Shiva not only took that poison, he made it stuck in his throat, and that is why he is known as Nilkant. So one way to defeat this negative energy or this virus energy is to chant the mantras of Lord Shiva. You can simply chant Om Namah Shivaya, or you can say the Mahamrityunjay mantra, which helps in a big way. You can also chant mantras of Jupiter and the Gayatri mantra daily. This will give you divine protection. Chanting these mantras early in the morning or after sunset, okay, that will bring you the grace of God. Remember that without Shiva's grace, poison cannot be destroyed, and therefore it is very essential that despite doing all these things, okay, that is having foods representing Jupiter, Sun, Mars, and the Moon, it is essential that you invoke that higher power, you remember that higher power, you ask for his grace. So worship Lord Shiva, chant Om Namah Shivaya. You can chant the Mahamrityunjay mantra. You can also say the Vishnu Sahasranam, because Vishnu had destroyed the demon Svarbhanu with his Sudarshan Chakra, which later on became Rahu and Ketu, right? So even chanting the Vishnu Sahasranam provides you great protection. Chant the Gayatri mantra because that energizes you. It brings in the energy of the sun. So to summarize, what I'm saying is, have more foods representing Jupiter, Mars, Sun and the Moon. That is, in the morning, try having lime juice mixed with some honey and tulsi leaves. Okay? Second, have more bananas, have more milk, drink plenty of water. Try having milk mixed with a little haldi, because haldi represents the Jupiter element. Okay? And Jupiter gets exalted in the sign of Cancer, represented by the moon or the milk element. So mixing haldi with milk will activate Jupiter and moon. Also add a little honey to the lime water that you drink, because it activates the Mars element. Okay, and Mars is necessary to give you the necessary energy and drive to do things. Do pranayam, do a lot of breathing exercises, okay, that will also strengthen your immune system in a great way. And lastly, do not forget the divine element, that is the divine Jupiter and the divine Shiva. Okay, chant the mantras of Shiva. You can chant Om Namah Shivaya 108 times. You can chant the Mahamrityunjay mantra. You can also chant the Vishnu Sahasranam. You can also chant the Gayatri mantra, which invokes the energy of the sun. So do these small things. So friends, if you like this video, please mark it as liked on YouTube. If you have not subscribed to my channel Kamath Astrology, you can do so by clicking the subscribe button. For any queries or consultation, email us at astrosevaworld@yahoo.com and we'll be glad to assist you. To know more about us, visit our website astroseva.tripod.com. So friends, thanks a lot. We'll see you soon shortly with another video. Till then, bye, stay safe, take care.